Get ready to reach new heights with Goal Horizon. Hit the subscribe button now. Welcome to our beginner's guide to meditation and mindfulness. In this video, we'll be discussing the basics of meditation and how it can help improve your overall well-being. First, let's talk about what meditation is. Meditation is the practice of focusing the mind on a particular object, thought, or activity to increase awareness and achieve a mentally clear and emotionally calm state. There are many different types of meditation, but for beginners, it's best to start with a simple technique called focused attention meditation. This involves sitting in a comfortable position, closing your eyes, and focusing your attention on your breath. When your mind starts to wander, which it inevitably will, gently bring your attention back to your breath. This may take a bit of practice, but with time and consistency, you'll be able to focus your mind for longer periods of time. In addition to meditation, mindfulness is another practice that can help improve your overall well-being. Mindfulness is the practice of being present and aware of your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings. It can be incorporated into your daily life, whether it's by taking a mindful walk, or simply taking a moment to focus on your breath before starting your day. Both meditation and mindfulness have been shown to reduce stress, improve mental clarity, and increase overall well-being. So why not give it a try? Start with just a few minutes a day and gradually increase the time as you become more comfortable with the practice. Thank you for watching. We hope this beginner's guide to meditation and mindfulness has been helpful in getting you started on your journey to a more peaceful and mindful life. Namaste.